Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our Shumatt's live channel. This is Caitlin. Today the product we're going to share with you is our hot sealing valve assembly. And now let's see it together. Firstly, the outside package is the blue VCI anti-rust bags, right? And here this is the label. And the first line of the label is our Shumatt's brand. And then this is the product code F00RJ02067. Actually, by the way, for the logo label packages, all the details we support customized service, and in the inside of it is the transparent bottles can be better avoid damages during the transportation. Now let's see. All repeater can be wrapped up, and each product 6 months warranty time, so you got the quality guaranteed. For this one, apply cable inject number is 04451200012. Etc. Here I just listed one of them. Take a look for this one. This one apply cable inject number just now I mentioned. And now let's take a look for the valve cap. Here with the coating figures on the groove, and this is the valve rod. Actually, if you want to install the valve assembly, first step is make sure the valve cap in the right position. The second step is make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly off the injector body. Okay, that's the today's product introduction. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Here I wish you have a good day.